In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your ASUS router using power bank. First, check the power requirements for your router, usually found on a label on the back or bottom of the device. Next, make sure your power bank has the right voltage and amperage specifications. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that works with your setup. Plug the DC end into the power port of your router. Connect the USB end to the power bank. Turn on the power bank and you'll see the indicator lights on your router light up, indicating that it's receiving power. If the router isn't functioning correctly, it might be due to insufficient power from the power bank. In this case, you'll need to turn off the 5G network. For a step-by-step guide on how to do this, check out my other video linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.